Cochin, Kumar, backwaters, houseboats. Good evening. So I represent this company, this small hotel group called CGH Earth. We are based in Cochin in Kerala. So we have got hotels across 3 different states in India, which is South Indian states called Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka as well. All our hotels are small inventory hotels. It's very much unique to where that hotel belongs to. So it is very traditional hotels that we have, small inventory hotels that make sure that each and every guest who comes to us, they get a personalized experience or personalized service to each and every guest. It's very authentic to that destination, so nothing is international there. It is all very local in context. So CGH will offer local in content holiday experiences. So it's basically a holiday space where an alert independent traveler comes and experiences the destination in its fullest form. Apart from that, we have certain Ayurveda hospitals as well. We have a naturopathy clinic, and we have a property in Karnataka which is Swa Swara in Gokarna. It's a beach resort which has got a perfect combination of a beach resort, yoga place and meditation, and an Ayurveda place. So all these things has a perfect combination there. The uniqueness of all our places is we care to the mother nature around us, so we make sure that we do the least of destruction to the mother nature around us. We have zero plastic policy at all our hotels, so we make sure that there is no plastics. All the waste of the hotel is recycled and reused. We would like you all to come and visit Kerala to enjoy the nature's beauty. Thank you. The spice plantation area. So we have then up in the hills in Wayanad, which is north of Kerala, which is famous for its rainforest, the small species, the wild, not wild as the big animals, but the small species like